Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Disha and I'm here to help you transform your house into a home. And today I'm going to show you something really interesting and quite unique. So actually I was looking for something really special for my siblings because their wedding anniversaries are in December and January, quite close. So I wanted to give something really unique. Then I came across something really special on Amazon, Instagram as well. Some small business accounts were selling these embroidery hoops as wedding gifts, and this I found this idea really interesting. So I thought let's give it a try and shoot the entire process for you all, so that you can try it too. And also if you're looking for something to start, then it can be a lovely business idea. With a little investment you can actually earn a lot. So all you need for this is some embroidery hoops, fabric in poplin, and net fabric, also some cotton embroidery threads, some embellishments, needle, ruler, inch tape, tracing paper. If you have tracing light box then it's okay, otherwise you can do what I'm doing here. I'll show you how I'm gonna trace it on the fabric. So here I have hand drawn the template. If you are good at drawing you can draw it, otherwise you can find some inspiration online and just download, print and trace it. Also I made use of an online calligraphy font generator to get the template for the names. So you just need to type in the name in the box, select the font, select size. I selected 115 and then click on generate. Here you go. Now I'll place the tracing paper over it and trace it. It's ready. Now what I'm gonna do is I have placed this template on the table, and this is the right side of the embroidery hoop. I'm gonna keep it right side down on the template like so. Now I can easily see it. I'll trace it. I have actually already traced here, and this is how it will look. Now I'll unmount the fabric and reverse it like so, and then mount it again on the embroidery hoop. And one more way to dress it is you can keep a book or something like this, a base on the table, and then you can keep this dressing paper on the book and place the fabric on top of it. Now trace it. Now the first step is to paint it. I'm using fabric paint here. I'm painting the clothes in the same color of the outfits my sister and brother-in-law wore on their wedding day. तो पेंट मैंने कर लिया है, थोड़ा सा मैसअप भी कर दिया है. I'll try and fix it here. Now what I'm doing is, can you see this color? This was my sister's wedding lehenga color. So I'm gonna paint this white net just to match it. So I have already prepared the color here. I have mixed some color in water, and now I'm gonna dip this fabric and let's see how it works, whether it works or not. It's quite nice, not exactly the same though, but it looks really nice. Now I'll let it dry and then we'll embroider it. And in the meantime, we'll embroider the hoop. And I started with the hearts. I'm doing satin stitch here. Satin stitch is always good for filling and defining the patterns. Now here for flower bouquet, I'm doing French knot, which is always good for making tiny roses. For hair, I have used satin stitch again. So this is day 2, and this is how much I was able to do yesterday. Now here's something really interesting. I'll make braided bun here. Let's see how. I have taken 3 strands of equal length and then braided them in a classic 3-strand braid. Now what I'm gonna do is I'll stitch it in a way so that it forms a bun. I'll show you how. Now I'll cut the extra and stitch it here. Okay, so the bun is done and I'm quite loving it. Next I'm gonna make some roses here. Now I'm using golden thread to add some details, and now I'll fill the neckline with the cross stitch, and I'll try and add some details here as well. It's day 3 and I couldn't do much yesterday. This is what I did. Okay, so now I'm starting this part and starting from here. And I'll be doing stem stitch here. So I have planned to make big roses on the upper side and small roses on the lower side. So I drew some circles first and then stitched 3 spokes with thread. Then I started weaving over and under the spokes until the entire circle was filled. And I made a lot of roses in different colors and sizes. Alright, so I have made spiderweb roses in the upper portion, and this lower portion I'll be filling it with French knot. A lot of work has been done, and today I'll embroider the names and lehenga. That's it. Done and looking beautiful. Now I'll embroider the names. To embroider the names, I used 2 stitches, back stitch and satin stitch as per the thickness of the letters. Now let's make lehenga. For that, I have taken double layer of net fabric. Now I'm gonna do running stitch on the upper side of the lehenga, and then I'm gonna pull the thread to make frills. And here the cute lehenga is ready. Now I'll add a lace here and we'll add some embellishments here. Welcome to the final and hopefully the last day of making this hoop. I have been able to do this much in 4-5 days. Here is the lehenga. I'm gonna fix some more embellishments here today and embroider the date. And then it's done. I'm so excited. Then I'll give some finishing touches, like I'll cut the extra fabric. I'll add one more fabric here and then I'll stick it to the hoop so that it looks finished. Then I'll pack it and ship it to my sister who lives in Delhi, and I'm so excited to see her reaction. So I'll ask my niece to record the reaction, then I'll try and post the reactions either on my YouTube stories or Instagram stories. So please check out. Now let's get to the work again. Now let's fix the lehenga on the fabric. I'm doing chain stitch here. It's done. Now let's give some finishing touches. The personalized anniversary gift for my sister and brother-in-law is ready. I really hope they like it. Okay, hold your breath as I show you the finished product. Here it is. That's all for today. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye bye. Wish you all love, luck, and sunshine.